That INK file is a CorelDRAW Pantone spot color palette, defining precise ink and spot color specifications for professional print workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load or manage these color palette files. Here's a professional insight. For those INK files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. INK files are spot color palette files used by CorelDRAW, storing Pantone custom ink and spot color definitions for professional print design. They define color names, values, and printing parameters for accurate spot color reproduction in commercial printing workflows. CorelDRAW INK files use a text-based format, storing color entries with names CIE Lab values and spot color identifiers. They map to physical Pantone ink formulations and are used by the color management system to ensure accurate on-press color matching. The recommended application from Corel Corporation for handling INK is unequivocally CorelDRAW. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows can show thumbnails, but layered or advanced edits require full design programs. Open the context menu by right-clicking your INK file and choosing Open With. Try CorelDRAW first, as it's the standard. If it doesn't appear, choose another application and continue testing compatibility. If the INK file won't open, don't panic. To avoid future errors, let's talk about why the file is stuck. Here's a list of the key technical reasons this INK format often fails to open. First, loading the palette. Open CorelDRAW and navigate to Window, then Color Palettes, then Open Palette. Browse to your INK file and select it to load the spot color palette into your workspace. The colors will appear in a dockable palette panel for easy access during design work. Next, applying spot colors. Select an object in your CorelDRAW design and click a color from the loaded INK palette to apply it as a fill or outline. Spot colors will appear as separate ink separations when preparing the file for commercial print output, ensuring accurate color reproduction. Finally, managing custom palettes. Create custom INK palettes in CorelDRAW by selecting Window, then Color Palettes, then Palette Editor. Add specific Pantone or custom spot colors to your palette, and save it as an INK file for reuse across multiple print design projects and team collaboration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.